If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends.
Okay, take a beetle leaf, take out the stem part, take out the far end of the leaf. They are not supposed to be eaten. Then you take some tuna. This is probably calcium carbonate put in the liquid. This is katha powder. You can get it in Indian store. Sprinkle it a little bit. These make it color after you eat it. Okay. Then we have already prepared some masala. Take some of the masala. Add tutti frutti to the flavoring. We have some mixture of cashew nuts, almonds and coconut flakes. Add that to the masala for the taste.
What type of pan are you binding? Means cone, triangle?
This would be a triangular pan. You can make it into a cone. I will show that later on. So put it in a triangular shape, fold the bottom portion up. Then and when I'm putting this, see that the leaf lines, I can see them on the top side. The shiny portion is on the bottom, and the far end of the leaf away from the stem is at the bottom. So fold it upwards. Then take this side leaf. I generally prefer left leaf first because I'm right-handed. You might do the other way around. Stuff in the masala inside a bit. Fold the upper part of the right hand into a flat line and or a horizontal line, and then fold it over the masala. So that way when you get a triangle, this part doesn't stand out. And that's it. So once this is done, you take a clover leaf, clove, and insert it there so that the construction remains there like that.